this is the $1 million question. How do I start with 0 followers? And yes, I'm going to give you the exact strategy you have to follow to get to the first 1,000 followers, to monetize, to do everything you want to do. The first of all, and the first thing you have to do is stop looking at these videos. Why? Because there is no magic tricks. I'm going to explain you my strategy, but if you don't put the effort to do it, if you don't follow, and if you don't learn by yourself, it's not going to work for you. So stop consuming content and start making content. Look, when I started, I uploaded 2 short videos to TikTok, to Instagram, and to YouTube per day. I didn't care if they had 100 views, if they had 1,000 views, or if they had 100,000 views. I just upload and upload and upload. But I upload quality. How did I do it? Because 2 videos per day is a lot. No, it's not. Look, what I made is from Monday to Saturday, I think on ideas. Not all day I like in the computer trying to, what can I do? No, it doesn't work like that. But I was in the bed, trying to sleep, and boom, an idea comes to my mind. I get notes. I'm in the shower, I get an idea, boom, I put it in notes. I'm training in the gym, boom, I get notes. That's from Monday to Saturday. Of course, in that I was short of videos. Then I put myself in the computer and I'm going to think about this. And in Sunday, I recorded the 14 videos. Simple videos like this, static. If what you are saying is good, you don't need to be changing all the time, boom, boom, boom. No, just be honest. Just say what you have to say, and people is going to listen at some point. So yeah, I uploaded 2 videos per day, and you will say, it cannot be quality. Of course, I had 6 days for thinking. 14 videos is not that much, and 1 day for recording. Then you edit the same day. You have all days 2 videos, and then you can focus in everything else you have to do. You have to find for the videos and your ideas a point between what you want to sell and what people is interested in. For example, my product is a bot of trading. Okay, it has 12 years, blah, blah, blah. What happens with that? People in Europe, in Spain, they are not going to have, when they retire, a retirement payment. Why? Because it's a Ponzi. It's a Ponzi scheme, and people start knowing that, and they start realizing that when they get old, even if they are paying hundreds of thousands of taxes, they are not going to get that back. So what did I do in the videos? You are 45 years old and you just realized that you are not getting your retirement payment. And I understand. That's why me, with 24 years old, I'm putting my money in here. Why? Because it's giving me 500 euros every single month. And what do I going to do with that 500 euros? I'm going to put it in the bot again? No. I'm going to put it in the SP500. Why? Because this is high risk, but this is low risk. So I'm having both at the same time, and this one is feeding this one. So I just put 5,000 on here, get 500 more or less per month, because it did it for 12 years, and then all the money I'm getting, SP500. Every single week, boom, boom. What happened with that? That people said, shit, he's right. I'm 4 years old, I have 3 kids, I have some money in the bank that is giving me a 2%. Why I'm not going to risk just 5,000 euros if that money is going to be working again? So it's like 2 investment things at the same time. People said, I don't have to put time on it. And it has 12 years of study that this was making money. I understand the risk, I understand how it works, I understand I can lose 5,000, but it's worth it to risk because what it is giving me back, it's a lot. So that's the point. That person maybe didn't know what a trading bot was, but because I connected it to my product and I told him, look, this is going to happen to you. And I know it's going to happen to you because we are from the same place. And I'm going to start doing it now because at some point I know I'm not going to have that money as you. So if you want to do the same as me, you can write me and I will explain you how I'm doing it. So it's a help and it's a win-win. One thing that nobody has, and it's because if you are 1%, and of course if you are seeing the video right here, you have that point, and it's have patience. If you have patience, you are going to win. Why? Because you are not rushing. You don't have like, oh, I need to get viral in 3 hours. Why? Maybe you don't know enough to be viral, or maybe the algorithm doesn't push enough your video. Just have patience. Have patience. You have to be calm. For me, it took me, I'm not going to lie to you, it took me 4 months to get my first 10,000 followers. But it doesn't have to be like that. Before that, I was 7 years trying, losing money in everything I made. 7 years, and right now, millionaire. You need to understand that in that 7 years, it wasn't losing money, it wasn't losing time. In that moment, it was. But now, it was an investment of knowledge, because I learned from everything I did, and now I'm doing things, avoiding that mistakes. It's like this. One thing I see in social media is that people gets in a box and they don't exit there. Try new things. Okay, for example, I got a viral video that I was saying that if there is anyone that didn't make money in the first 24 hours with my algorithm, I will explode an egg in my head. And I said, let's start. I was walking with a bag of eggs. I take one and I said, I'm not going to do it. Why? Because every single one has made money in the first 24 hours. If not, I give them back the money. What do I do there? I put people in a position that they want to see me explode an egg on my head, but at the same time, they are listening to me, saying that no one hasn't lost or don't do any money because every single person that had my bot made money in the first 24 hours. So people is understanding that two things. They want to see me exploding an egg, and they know now that everyone is making money. Why I'm saying that you have to respect yourself? Because imagine that I explode that egg on my head. Then people will know me as the guy that exploded an egg on his head. So if I'm selling you an investment thing on an algorithm, you're not going to trust me because I'm a fool, I'm a clown. I explode an egg for a video. Don't do that. Be respectful to yourself and people will respect you.